Hello, in this video we will be covering absolute value equations. Just a reminder, absolute value is something that always measures distance from zero. It's always positive. Take for example, let me find my little pen here, the absolute value of -8, right, is always going to be 8. The absolute value of 8 is always going to be 8. The whole point is that distance is always positive, right? We don't ever have like negative distance. Even if you like went backwards, you would be covering positive distance. You would just be going in a negative direction, right? So negativity, we talk about this concept of negativity. Negativity is positional, right? Distance is always positive. I think back to this horrible movie. It's very overrated. Ferris Bueller's Day Off. If you like it, that's more of a reflection on you than me. But you get this point where they borrow the dad's car, not asking for it, and put a ton of miles on it. And the dad always checks the miles, right? So they're like, we're gonna get caught. We're gonna get in trouble. Hey, let's set it up so we'll drive the car. We have it so it can't go anywhere. They have it on cinder blocks or something, and they make it where it goes in reverse to try to take the miles off the car, right? It's like, hey, if we make it go negatively in reverse, we'll take the miles off the car. It doesn't work that way. In fact, they put more miles on it. Even if you're going in reverse, you're racking up positive distance, right? It's real stupid. Really a reflection of how stupid the movie is. And go watch it if you like. Don't say I didn't warn you. About 2 hours of your life you'll never get back. But this is the idea here. It's a good example for here. It's the only positive thing this movie's ever done is make an appearance in this video. Distance is always positive. Negativity is positional. You could be like negative in reference to someone. You can be behind them. You could be below them, right? You can be underneath them. That's negative positionally on a number line or wherever you are in reference to someone. But distance is always positive. So let's do one example real quick. What are the solutions of the absolute value of x plus 2 equals 9? Well, if x is the only thing in the absolute value bars, then we're good to solve this like we would a regular equation. We'll subtract 2 from both sides, right, using our subtraction property of equality. That's our 0. That's gone. I'm going to do a rewrite, and right now we have the absolute value of x equals 7. Okay? Well, our question for you is like, for what values of x will that absolute value bracket yield positive 7, right? Obviously, I can put in 7. All right, but wouldn't, if I put -7 in there, based on what we just did above, wouldn't that yield for me positive 7? So our solutions are going to be x equals both -7 and 7, okay? I'm going to go ahead and stop this for now, and we'll go on to some harder examples.